Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Best motorcycle review. Amazingly good value for money, 2018 on. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 is a retro naked middleweight with a 649 cubic centimeters engine that makes 47 brake horsepower, meaning it's A2 compliant. It's one of the best value bikes on sale in the UK, with a list price below £6,000 including a full warranty and dealer support. It was launched alongside the Continental GT Roadster, but the Interceptor is the most popular model by a significant margin. In fact, it's one of the best-selling bikes in the country at time of publication. The engine is lively without being intimidating, the handling is fun without being patronizing, and the finish is good without breaking the bank. When you take into account the price, it really is a suspension overhaul away from being a 5-star bike. I've saved the best bit till last too. The average age of an Enfield owner in India is 27. If they can repeat the trick over here, we could be looking at the bike that saves the sport. Ride quality and brakes. The Royal Enfield test riders say their brief for this bike was to make it fun, and they've succeeded. Because it doesn't make huge amounts of power, you can rev the nuts off it and spend the whole day stretching your throttle cables without feeling like you've had the stuffing knocked out of you. When a corner approaches, the Biber brakes scrub off speed well with a decent bite and good modulation. Hell, even the budget Pirellis do a great job of sticking to the road, although they're not brilliant in the rain or slippery conditions. An aftermarket upgrade is a massive improvement. Engine. The Interceptor is fitted with Enfield's brand new, air-cooled 650 parallel twin, also used in the Royal Enfield Continental GT. It doesn't make huge amounts of power or torque, but that's not really the point, and it has enough. Down low, there's a reasonable amount of torque, with most of it arriving before 2500 RPM, so you can chug it out of corners, but you can rev it too without it ever feeling like it's going to bite. The throttle is lovely and smooth too, plus it's A2 compliant. Reliability and build quality. For the brief 150 miles we rode the bike on the launch in September 2018, nothing broke. In all seriousness, Royal Enfield doesn't have the best rep for reliability, but that's something they want to change. All the new bikes that come off the line will have gone through a 1007-point check, which Enfield said took over 6 hours to complete. If that's not enough, every new bike came with a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty, so there was peace of mind when purchasing an Interceptor, too. Value versus rivals. Royal Enfield are known for the budget bikes, and the Interceptor continues that crusade, starting at just £5,500 for the standard Orange Crush model, rising to £5,990 for the glitter dust option. A brand new 650 cubic centimeters twin bike with a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty for under £6,000. Sounds like a bargain to us. Rival bikes you may consider include the vastly more expensive Triumph Street Twin, the Fantic Caballero 500, and of course sister bike, the Royal Enfield Continental GT. We took the Interceptor around the MCN 250 test route against two of its main rivals in the form of the Triumph Street Twin, £8,100, and Kawasaki W800, £8,645. Equipment. Despite its budget price, there's some decent kit. Brakes are from Brembo subsidiary Bybri, and they're paired with Bosch's 2-channel ABS at Pirelli provide the tires, although 18-inch sizes don't leave many aftermarket options. The retro clocks are nice too, and they've even got a fuel gauge, although they're not as feature-rich as the ones on the Royal Enfield Himalayan, which is a bit of a shame. The fit and finish of the rest of the bike isn't bad either. The only thing that really lets it down is the budget suspension. Specs. Engine size 648 cubic centimeters. Engine type air-cooled 4V parallel twin. Frame type steel twin spar. Fuel capacity 13.7 liters. Seat height 806 millimeters. Bike weight 202 kilograms. Front suspension non-adjustable 41 millimeters RWU forks, 110 millimeters travel. Rear suspension preload adjustable twin shocks, 88 mm travel. Front brake single 320 mm disc, dual piston caliper. Rear brake 240 mm disc, dual piston caliper. Front tire size 100/90, 18. Rear tire size 130/70, 18. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £230. New price £5,500. Used price £4,700 to £5,500. Insurance group. How much to insure? Warranty term. Top speed and performance. Max power 47 brake horsepower. Max torque 39 ft-lb. Top speed 105 miles per hour. A quarter mile acceleration. Tank range